Något svar.
Du har fått tilbud på søknaden din.
Ja. Hva det står?
Jeg skjønte ikke, Good match, good match.
Kjeks med litt sånn liden ved siden av hos nærmeste. Men det er ikke sånn at du vil ha girl dinner i det, eller gjorde jeg det?
This is the girl dinner. You have to have Sundays. Okay, det ser faktisk så bra ut.
Oh, that's så undersiden her. Oh my god, nostalgisk!
Så hva starter vi med? Basics.
Er vi mot hverandre her nå?
Ja, det er snakk om å ha liksom flest mulig sånne stjerner da.
Nei, jeg trodde vi spilte sammen. Fordi jeg sparte en sopp til deg i stad, for jeg tenkte, du fortjener den. Girl, I didn't. Ok, neste runde skal jeg være ruthless.
Kom hit.
Du!
Yes.
Damn. Shame on you for ikke å fortelle meg reglene før vi starter.
Jeg visste ikke, jeg trodde du hadde spilt det her før.
Nei.
Så hadde du svart som, sånn nostalgisk.
Ja, fordi selve liksom de samme stedene. Men...
ja, sånn levelene liksom.
Ja, I guess.
Jeg er veldig ekspressiv når jeg spiller. Nei, herregud, men nei!
Ja, altså. Get away from me! Nei, det var en skikkelig dårlig bane. Skylder på det. Jeg bare... Nådesløs. So sorry.
Slutt!
Er jeg for slem med deg?
Nei. Jeg er ikke så veldig flink i den her.
Vi kan prøve å ta på at vi ikke har endless lives, da.
3.
Ja. Det er et skummelt opplegg. Ok, oi, ikke sant. Nei. Jeg tror det hjelper veldig å ha liv. For da kan ikke jeg holde på så kaotisk.
Har ingenting å ta på, mann.
Jeg vet ikke hva jeg driver med, jeg er bare stjernesafari.
Stjernesafari.
Oh my god. Alt endret seg. Hvordan får man sånn big mushroom en gang? Hvordan skjer det?
Jeg bare kommer opp fra
Det bare kommer og... nå må jeg vinne.
Du er flinkere på den banen enn meg.
Du kan velge. Da er det the final.
The final. Blir det random da?
Ja.
Good match. Pleide du også å fargelegge hele skjermen svart? Og så viske ut det du ville ha?
For en minne. Er du sikker på at du er klar for det her? Det er veldig pent.
Jeg må trenge et øyeblikk.
I know.
Tada! Hva står det der?
Oi, har jeg glemt det allerede? Swag on you. Som en vis Justin Bieber once said. Swag on you. Chilling by the fire while we're eating fondue. Han faktisk har skrevet tekst der han sier det. Mesterverk. Mm-hmm.
Ut av bilen! Tusen takk.
Nei, jeg skal
Ja, kanskje. Tusen takk.
snappe.
Nice.
Ja, takk.
I like that. Ja, flink. Ja.
Ja, skjønt.
Jeg er tilbake i min hjemby et par dager nå, som før studiestart. Og det er så fint å komme hjem. Og det sier jeg ikke bare fordi det er det man vanligvis skal si, eller pleier å si når man er på besøk hjemme, men altså, det føles så godt å være tilbake, til tross for overskya og kanskje ikke helt varm Oslo-temperatur, som det jeg er blitt vant til. Det gjør ingenting, fordi her er hjemmet mitt, og her er familien min. Vi har en hel kasse med fantastiske norske jordbær fra noen som faktisk plukker egne selv, og vi kommer til å nyte de dagene fremover nå. I was actually gonna come here just for journaling purposes, but as I walked, I realized that I had a lot of things on my mind that I wanted to share, that I wanted to capture on camera. I'm currently in a small hut or a small house on poles above the sea as it just started to rain. I'm visiting my family here for a small part of my summer break before my studying starts in Oslo. I just wanted to share on camera how grateful I am to be living in this beautiful, gorgeous coastal town next to the sea with the ocean breeze. As a 20-year-old that was born and raised in the same small coastal city in northern Norway, I've always thought that I was a big city girl that was going to move to Oslo away from this tragic, boring place where nothing ever happened, where it was cold in winter and dark and windy and snowy. But I realized that I have missed my hometown more than I ever thought I would after 6 months. I have visited since then, of course, but I think it's only now hit me how much I actually love this place and that I've taken it for granted for so long. This trip in particular, this trip to my hometown has been very giving to me. And I feel like I really needed that small break from the big city before a completely new chapter in my life. I realized that I am just a small coastal girl that has a passion for travel and exploration. I'm not someone who wants to be stationed in the capital all her life. I'm just in a chapter of my life right now where I want to be more social, explore more, try new things, and therefore Oslo seemed like the right choice, and it is for now. But I don't think I will stay in Oslo for longer than my bachelor's degree. I'm studying culture and communications at University of Oslo. I will start my first ever semester now in August. It's actually wild how soon it is right now. Today is Thursday, 7th of August, and my welcoming ceremony is Monday the 11th, and the actual studying starts on Monday 18th. And actually that is what I wanted to journal about today in my Hobonichi weeks. And I use my one and only Lamy. I got it at the official store in Ginza, and it was like limited edition or something. It was gifted to me by my boyfriend, and it is the only fountain pen I own for now. I got this a year ago. No, absolutely not. A bit bad day for walking, maybe. There's a small cafe and museum over there if you want to have a warm cup of coffee or something. Yes, goodbye. There are many tourists in this area, and they're typically from like Japan or China, France. A lot of them are actually from Germany. Sometimes there will be a big boat cruise with Americans coming over, but this lovely lady was from France. She was also like seeking shelter in this hut. I wish she finds somewhere to warm up. She looked quite wet and cold. I hope I wasn't scaring her away with my camera. It's quite wild actually, as someone who travels a lot and really enjoys exploring new places. I'm always like the tourist, you know, walking around disturbing local people. But now I'm like the local and tourists are asking me for directions. I think it's so fun. Not bizarre perhaps, but it's almost a bit cute. Just being humans together, finding joy in travel. That's like one of my biggest passions, and I want to dedicate my life, or big parts of my life, to travel. The rain is crazy. What the heck? Yeah, I think I'm staying here for a while. I should have thought about that. I live in a place that is known for its elements. I can't really be mad about that. Anyway, I'm just gonna sit down and journal, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Hey, husband. I never judge. Jeg putter det bare i en stekepanne, som bare på sånn lav varme. Og da varmer du det uten at det liksom stekes mer, på en måte. Du er altså en tulling. Jeg sitter og journaler, så du er på kamera. Eller du er ikke på kamera, liksom. Jeg sitter liksom og skriver, og så ringte du og så er kamera på. Så nå sitter jeg foran kamera med mobilen mot øret og ser på kamera. Ha det.
Plenty for you.
Yes, thank you.
How was your day?
I'm alright.
You good?
Are you alright?
Okay. Yeah, I'm working. What you writing?
Just group notes.
Thoughts? Sounds good.
Not
Nice. It's good. Okay. So it's a pancake with rhubarb jam, granola, and with butter.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Norwegian culture.
Oh, I was just in Japan in October. It was amazing. It's actually the favorite place I've been. And it's before I got my camera, so if I did have it, I would vlog everything.
Ed Sheeran yesterday. It was kind of probably painful. But
Right.
Started in Bergen, did the train, and then, yeah, now we're here.